About to feel rocks any second with your hair, so slow down now.
Up on them.
We're going to get up to cross this to my left. You're right.
Okay.
Just feel your way really slowly on the rocks.
It's all good. Good. Can I take these off?
Yeah, stick it on your forehead. Just going to leave both your hands together.
I'll be right.
You just got to take the time, get the foot in.
I got one.
Really, one handle foot at a time, yeah?
It's proper dark, isn't it?
And weeks went by but felt like hours. Spring would lie in summer showers. In my hair were winter flowers. And weeks went by but felt like hours. Seasons multiplying power that I found in winter flowers.
I usually like to get my hair done before I even start makeup, but that's not the case today, guys. So I've put micellar water in my little bottle, grabbed myself a little pad. I've been in the sea literally all day today. It's needed. I cut myself so badly, well, not so badly, just stings. So the next thing that I use is my Nip and Fab toning pad. I always use it after micellar water because it makes my skin feel super tight and clean and fresh and ready for a bit of makeup razor. I always try to get my face. Then what I normally do is I grab a little the good old aloe vera gel. Where this is only when I'm away though. I only get a tiny bit. Normally this isn't the one I usually use. I usually use a homemade one from Sri Lanka, but it's not like I'm going back to Sri Lanka anytime soon. So it looks like I'm gonna have to find something else. Just give your skin a bit of a dab. Just blend it. The gel and the moisturiser into two. Because if you don't, it will be a bit of a nightmare. Okay, so my hair is pretty much dry, but I need to make sure because I don't want to put heat on wet hair because that is just what kills your hair. And I have learned from personal experience. I kind of want to let this dry on its own now and then curl it, but I genuinely don't think that I have time. So we're going to a nice restaurant tonight, which I am going to put some on. First of all, I always go in with my Bobbi Brown contour stick. If you want me to do like a proper makeup tutorial, because this one's going to be super duper brief, let me know and I'll definitely do one, because I like doing makeup. I think it's funny. Next thing, I think this is Clarins Instant Light Brush On Perfector. I don't use this a lot. I just use it under my eyes to give myself a little boost, sometimes here as well because I get really red around that area. And then I tap that in with my fingers because I do genuinely think that your finger is the best makeup tool. The stuff on my eyes I blend with my fingers because I just think the warmth of it really helps it blend properly into your eye socket. I do this instead of wearing eyeshadow on holiday because I really find it hard to blend cream and blend shadows. So blend it. Landa! I'm definitely a mixture of like fingers, brushes. I don't really have a preference. I just do it to what I think's. Oh my god, what is that? I got a spot on my chin. See you in a little while, my friend. So the next thing I use is my highlighter, which is the Soft and Gentle Mineralized. It's the colour Soft and Gentle by MAC. It's really lovely. It's the Mineralized Skin Finish. Don't know what kind of brush. And I just put it on the insides of my eyes and just blend it. Gives me a bit of a glow and I like it. I've used that or High Beam. I've used the matte one today because I wanted to look a bit more matte. Looks like I'm a glowing goddess tonight, everyone. My brow gel. This is my secret weapon. I do not colour them in. I just tint them and gel them. When I'm on holiday, don't wear mascara ever. And also, I just like to put some chubby stick on my face to make me look a little bit sunburned. I think it makes me look like I have a bit of colour. It is a lipstick. Or it's actually lip colour, I don't know. But I always use it. And then give my lips a bit of the same prettiness, you know. You can't even, this is the worst get rid of me ever. Like, I genuinely feel sorry for you guys. It's so dark in there, isn't it? Like, pitch freaking black.
Turn back, I see rivers beyond the life, ancient roads and broken design, angels running through our minds.
No far hoodies. I just give it a little once over the comb. Right, the last thing I do is beach spray. I just spray it in my fringe. A teeny little bit of volume. And that's it. That's my outfit and my hair and makeup done. If you liked it, ask for a tutorial because I'm so down. So freaking down. Said a bit, everyone.